Ken Fain, Island Carpet Tile and Hardwoods. You know, I like to eat out all the time, but I spend a lot of time looking at the floor in the restaurants that I go and visit. I was very disturbed to see in one of my favorite restaurants the floor looking like this. Notice this is a Click luxury vinyl plank that's cracked, dirty, damaged, soiled at two places where you'd expect to have the problems, at the doorway into the restaurant and at the doorway into the eating area. These are high traffic points, they're pivot points. And so you have to ask yourself a lot of questions. Number one, was the floor prepared properly? Number two, was it appropriate to use a click-together LVP product rather than really smooth out that floor and use a glue-down product? I think if the floor had been properly prepared, that glue-down product would last a long time. They wouldn't have the problem that they have right now, which, by the way, is a very difficult problem to solve. So, if you're doing a commercial space, you need to think, what's the right product to use? What do I need to do to prepare the floor properly? If you do the job right, you won't have a problem like this. Ken Fain, Island Carpet Tile and Hardwoods.